everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I'm looking very Christmassy, festive. You will see this look coming up very soon. It is a collab, and you will see me actually put this stuff on my face, on my eyes, coming up very soon, I think on Friday, so be on the lookout for that. And this is the Pan Interrupted. It is the Supernatural Project Pan that I'm doing with my girl Amanda, my bestie, and we are doing a panning project that is a product for every episode of Supernatural that ever aired or ever will air. And yeah, it's fun. It's just a lot of fun. Loving this. Loving the trip down memory lane of all these episodes that I've watched. And I kind of want to rewatch them, but I don't have time right now. But they're still in there. And sometimes I'll watch little clips here and there, and it brings it all back, and I love it. We've had a few people that have jumped in on this, and that is awesome because, I mean, it's Supernatural. Who doesn't love Sam and Dean? I mean, really. So, all right, let's get into this project. We are doing 6 products at a time, and we started this August of last year, and yeah, we're going to be going forever. And yeah, I think I've gone over the important details. So let's get into my empties. Yes, I have empties. I'm so excited. And one of them has been in here for quite a while. This is for the episode No Exit. And this was in the 2nd season. In that episode, they find ectoplasm. It's a gelatinous goo. That's what ectoplasm is. A residue left behind by spirits or ghosts. And so I have my own gelatinous goo. This is the PanteneClassic Total Control Gel. It is done. It is not Curly Girl approved, so I won't rebuy it. It was fine as a gel, but yeah, I want all Curly Girl stuff now, so that is done. It is out of my collection, and there you have it. I'm happy about that. Then next one that I finished was for Roadkill. In that episode, there is a highway ghost that is seeking revenge and wreaking all sorts of havoc. I mean, really problematic. So I went with the ghost theme on that one. Ghosts tend to be like white apparitions. So I chose a product that was like white, primarily white. This is the Neutralyze exfoliating pads for acne prone skin. This is one of those products I had a love-hate relationship with. If I used it infrequently, it was nice. It would dry out, like if I had breakouts and stuff like that. But I almost feel like it was over drying my skin and then causing the opposite reaction of what I wanted. So if I used it too frequently, I found that my skin was actually producing more oil, causing more breakouts, so on and so forth. I think if you use this occasionally, it's not really a bad product, but once I open something, especially something that's got saturated pads in it, I don't want it just sitting around. So I want to like use it when my skin says I need it. So I don't think I would repurchase this just because, yeah, I think it kind of exacerbated the problem after a while, and nobody needs that. Yeah, anyone that has breakouts understands. You don't want to over dry your skin or it makes the problems worse. All right, the next one is what is and what should never be. That episode, very poignant. In that episode, they were introduced to a possibility of what life could be, and it wasn't real, but it kind of gave them hope of the things that could be, even though they never really could be. You know what I'm saying? So I chose the philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar. Kind of fit the whole theme of, you know, of hope of something much better than what they already have. All right, so those are my 3 empties. All of them were from the 2nd season. And I do have 3 products that I'm still working on for the 2nd season. The first one is Hollywood Babylon. I chose the Starlooks Gem Pencil in Ultra Olive. I have not used this because I'm still working on Amethyst. And so this is backburnered for right now. I do love this pencil, but I really want to get Amethyst done. So as much as I love that, it's got to wait. it's got to wait its turn. Moving on to Folsom Prison Blues, I went with the whole prison theme and went with the orange jumpsuits that they have to wear when they are in prison. So I chose the Deep Potted Profusion eyeshadow that just fell out of my hands. Oh, it is that day. It is that day. Here it is in all its glory. The pan is slightly expanded. This is from the Profusion Eyes palette from, I don't know, a few years ago. And this color, Terracotta, it is more orange in person than it looks like it's appearing on the screen. It's really nice. I like it a whole lot. And you're going to see it a lot more soon because, you know, the new year and I get to play with new things and I don't have like a tight deadline to finish certain things. So you'll see more orange in the very near future. The next one is the All Hell Breaks Loose episode, and that was the first half of that episode. It was done in 2 parts because all hell broke loose. And in that particular episode, Sam was abducted by the yellow-eyed demon. Dude is bad news. That yellow-eyed demon, he's a bad penny. He just keeps turning up. So, of course, I went with the yellow-eyed demon in this episode and chose something yellow. This is the ColourPop Honey, and I chose the color Dandy to hit pan on, and that is the shade right here. It definitely has some usage in it, but no pan yet. And I'm in love with this palette. I'm in love with that shade. This palette is, if you're a yellow lover, yeah, that one. Honey, it's good. All right, moving on. I have got new stuff. I've got new stuff. So I am picking something for the very last episode of season 2. Yes, I get to move on to season 3. I'm very excited. If you're hearing weirdness, I have jingle bells around my neck. It was I was at a Christmas party today for little kids, so you know how that goes. All right, All Hell Breaks Loose, the second one, and in that one, the yellow-eyed demon, he unleashes the armies of hell, and it's not good. It's not good. Generally, when the armies of hell are coming after you, it's not a good thing. Again, went with the theme of the yellow-eyed demon since he plays such an integral part of these 2 episodes. So I chose another yellow product. I can't speak. This is Not Your Mother's Naturals Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon. This is a spray leave-in conditioner to protect and repair. Just got this and I already am in love with this. And I will tell you up front, I will use this on my hair on a very regular basis, but I will occasionally be using it on my daughter because she has the same crazy mop that I have. And she gets those knots back here. I used it on her earlier today, and it was the first time we've used it. Wow. It goes, like, the knots came out of her hair so much faster. If you get tangles, this is amazing. It really is. At least it works on my daughter's hair. We will see how it works on my hair. And yeah, my intention is to finish it. You can't even see like where the product has gone down just from that one use. I didn't have to use a whole lot, so it's still like right up in this area. I could weigh it, but I probably won't. So we're going to call that brand new, even though it was used once. And I should be able to, as the level goes down with my updates, I should be able to mark that on the bottle. All right, season 3. I'm excited. Season 3. The first episode is the Magnificent 7. It's not as magnificent as it might sound from the title, because the speak, Jessica, speak. The Magnificent, take 27. Magnificent 7 is actually the 7 deadly sins. I can't talk. I was a little unsure what I was going to pick for this because we've already done the 7 deadly pans, so I had used my one product. Okay, I'm throwing other products. I used my one product that I thought was really obvious for a sin, and so I'm like going through everything, and of course I finally find an eyeshadow of all things that fits the bill perfectly, but it's an eyeshadow. But I'm going to put it in anyway because it fits the theme. This is the Alter Ego Temptress palette. This is the Alter Ego dupe of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, which I also own. Neither one of them I purchased, but this one, I'm going to try not to blind you with it, has this shade right here. Do you see what that shade is called? Lust. 7 Deadly Sins. Lust. It makes sense to me. So, part of me wants to say hit pan on it, but this is a long-term project and I'm okay with it lasting longer. So I'm going to attempt to finish that one. I probably will multitask it a little bit, like with brows and stuff like that. Since it's not going to be part of the experiments, I can multitask it. So it is a nice brown color. And I think I can get a lot of use out of that one. So that is what I'm going to work on for the Magnificent 7 that I actually said right. All right, the last one. This one cracks me up. The Kids Are All Right. This episode is, it's one of those, if you watch Supernatural, it's one of those campy, funny episodes, which those are probably my favorite when the guys get to be a little on the silly side. In this particular episode, Dean goes back to find someone that he was in a relationship with a little shy of 9 years prior. And when he shows up, his ex has a son that is getting ready to turn 8. And when you do the math on, 8 3/4 years, kid's getting ready to turn 8 and he was with her, just over 8 years ago. There's a math thing going on there. So when he meets this child, he's like the spitting image of Dean, and he acts the same, he dresses the same, he's got the same game with the women, and he looks like a little Dean. I mean, really, he acts like a little Dean. So, and I'm not going to tell you, if you haven't seen the episode, if he is a little Dean or not, but it's a funny episode. If you haven't seen it, you need to watch it. So I decided to choose a little version of something that I have in my collection, and that is the Avon Glazeware in Chic Mauve. It's tiny, it's cute, and I love it. Just like I would love a little Dean. So yeah, that is my product for The Kids Are All Right. Specifically for little Dean, also known as Ben. Okay, that is everything for this update. I'm excited that I'm on season 3. I know Amanda is, and she was a little ahead of me, but that's okay. That's okay. It's not a race. It's not a competition. It's just pan at your own pace, and I like that. I like these forever long-term projects. This is right in my wheelhouse. All right, I am going to wrap this up. I'm definitely going to have Amanda linked down below in the description box. I'm going to have her gorgeous face at the end of my video, so go check her out, show her some love. And if you are a Supernatural fan, are you a Dean girl or are you a Sam girl? I'm just asking, because I'm a Dean girl. Sam curious, but I'm a Dean girl. And I've had some other people that have answered this in the past, but I've had, a few new subscribers. I'm just kind of curious. Which team? Sam or Dean? Or both? Or, maybe Castiel? If you're into that. All right, wrapping this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.